Hello friends, welcome to knowledgealla.com. So here we are going to start one new program series for students for 10th and 12th. So here we list down all the important programs and we are going to write these programs in Java language. As we always lead on practice, so student or anyone can download the program, copy the program from here and run in their system and execute the program and try to understand the program, because by just copy pasting and executing the program in your local system is not going to help you to learn the language. So here most of the important programs which comes in their respective exams we listed down here, and we are planning to provide a solution for each and every program, and also we have a request you to add a comments and give us the feedback so we can improve our blogs. And also, if you have any other program which you want us to give the solution and provide some tutorials on that, please add those programs or algorithms in our comment section. So here we have around 118 programs that will increase also. Uh, so I'm going to start from the first program here. If you see here, we have some basic introductions of this block. This tutorial contains a variety of Java programs which is more useful for the student of 10th and 12th. A student will get the full program code developed using the Eclipse IDE. Also, student can copy the program and execute in their local environment and ask questions if they are. Okay, so here we are going to use the Eclipse IDE. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. There are plenty of IDEs available uh, in the in the environment in the systems in the Google. So if you go and Google some IDE for any programming like Java, Python, and C++, Visual Basic, anything, you will get IDs. Nowadays, IDs are very simple and it is helping us to concentrate on the algorithms and the logic, or we can say on the logic of the program. So here I'm not taking more time on these kind of things. So I'm going to explain first thing, work setup, workspace setup for IDE Eclipse. So I'm going to use Eclipse here. I'm using Eclipse Neo here. So workspace. So first of all, whenever you are going to set up a workspace for any uh, uh, for your Eclipse, you have to create one folder. So like here, I already created one folder. It is pretty much simple. You just right click and go to new and click on folder and name whatever name you want to give. So right now I have given name like KW Java practice workspace. Okay, so nothing should be there inside because I already created. That's why you are able to see some folders inside. That's the folder and remote system template files. So these won't be there. So wherever your Eclipse shortcut is there, just go there and double click on that icon. Launch. Once your Eclipse is launched, you will see this window. This window is nothing but to get the path where your folder is reside. You can browse that folder using the browse button. Once you click on that, this window will come and you have to navigate to that folder where whatever you created. So as I already did, so I have this folder structure here, AW Java Practice Workspace. I will click on OK. Okay. So this is already open, so it is now opening Eclipse. I'm using Eclipse Neon. Now, this is going to support a lot of things. So I'm not going to do this thing. So just cancel this one. So once you cancel, you will see this. and this window is nothing but your actual Eclipse uh, initial window. So if you see here, this is nothing but your project explorer, and this is your main content area. Whenever you are going to write any program, so that code will come here, and this is outline, and these are the some very popular windows like servers. You can have server properties and so on. So here I'm not going in detail because I'm just concentrating to create a workspace and get some. So here, as I already created the folder name, so I am going to continue with the same naming convention. So I just copy here this name and come to this and go to file. So just click on file and search your Java project. If you are unable to get it the Java project, then you can go to other and you can go to Java. So once you click on Java, then your Java. So most of our programs are core Java. So I'm going to create a core Java project here first, and then later I will create the web project. So first KW Java practice workspace. So workspace I'm going to create workspace practice KW Java. Okay. So here now we have to associate the JDK, whatever you are going to use. Okay, so I'm going to use this one default one and click on next. So this is the source folder here. Then I'm going to finish. So once you are going to finish, it will ask the perspective because there are various perspective in Eclipse. So I'm going to open the Java. So this is the project which created workspace. So for the time being, uh, this is the workspace setup. Please follow this video and understand. In the next video, I will let you know how to create Java program and execute Java. How to execute Java. Thanks a lot for watching videos on knowledgeable.com. Thanks a lot.